Which was more tedious or demanding? Getting off the island or going back? This season is about keeping status quo for just long enough to undo it again, as the Deus Ex Machina machine continues to strike. Between seasons 3 and 4 was the writer's strike. This forced the showrunners to economize. But this season it felt like they were on the verge of cancellation, but had to extend the season just a bit longer. Thus, we see characters who moved off the island discussing how they got off as well as the desire to go back. These contradictory plot points suggest to keep them bound by fate, but also spell desperation, as though they kept it running while simultaneously trying to stay away from the island, which was the main draw of the show anyway. We have many strange events like Linus managing to move the island on his own, Kate taking custody of Claire's child, Claire herself mysteriously disappearing, and many other contrivances. The episodes on their own were fine, but it seems like the show has begun to realize it cannot deliver on many of its promises. Many of the mysteries once promised are moved to the sidelines once again, important characters are written off, never to be heard from again. I admit that I am starting to lose interest in the show. This season wasn't bad, and many of the post-island scenes have their moments and ideas, but this feels like something stretched past its limit. I don't even know if I want to watch anymore given how many fates of these characters are sealed. The themes of destiny and engineering of fate prevail. We know exactly how this will turn out. So the last two seasons feel even more tacked on than before.